Dan Cashman here from Trim Solutions. I want to talk to you a little bit today about some of our product line. We have a whole product line with PVC products with all hidden fasteners. The first one I was going to talk to you about is our outside corner post. Then we have an inside corner post, a water table board, and a 4-inch QuickTrim board that serves for windows and or freeze boards. Key piece to our outside corner post is our stainless steel bracket that comes 2 in a pack with every corner post. This is used to anchor the corner to the house to ensure that it won't slip down in the future, and it will also aid in the installation of the product itself. Let's get started with the stainless steel bracket. Now it's just a matter of showing you how to install your corner post. Once you've cut your corner post to your desired length, just a matter of putting it on your installation bracket. Now it's just a matter of nailing off your vinyl nailing flange every other hole. Next product we're going to install is our inside corner post. After you cut your corner post to length, it's just a matter of installing it into position. Once it's into position, like the corner, you nail every other hole. Our next piece I'd like to talk about is our 8-inch water table board, complete with starter strip and vinyl nailing flange. It's just a matter of nailing up your starter strip, dropping the board on it, nailing the top every other hole. As you can see, we've already installed the starter strip for our water table board. Now it's just a matter of taking your board, cutting it to length, and dropping it on top. There you have it. Once it's engaged into the starter strip, like all of our products, every other hole. Our last piece is our 4-inch QuickTrim I'd like to talk about, which is used for either going around windows and doors, or I'm going to show you in a freeze board application. Like the water table, the starter strip has already been installed. Now it's just a matter of cutting your board to length and installing it into the starter strip. Once the starter strip is engaged, it's just a matter of nailing off your board every other hole. We've showed you how to install our outside corner post, our inside corner post, our water table, as well as our 4-inch QuickTrim utilized as a freeze board. First step to installing QuickTrim is simply installing the starter strip around the window on all 4 sides. Very simple, it's like a J channel, very simple to install. Once again, simply going to cut it to length around your sides, measure your width and height of your window, cut it to length, nail it to the side of your window. After your starter strip's in place, you're going to cut your PVC trim to length. After it's cut to length, you're going to place it against the wall, slide it up into your starter strip. Very simple. Take your side piece, same thing, slide it down. Pretty easy, huh? There you have it, folks. After your boards are snapped into the starter strip, you're going to take a screw and install it in the center of the nail flanges on all 4 sides. Once you've secured all 4 pieces with a screw in the center of the flanges, it's time to start making these joints look real good. What you're going to do at this point is simply going to pull this apart, apply your glue along here. We've got the glue in place. I want to do one more thing to ensure that glue is going to take and dry in the right place. gonna take a screw, put right here. You're gonna hold these pieces flush to each other. All right, now we're gonna finish up all the other corners and we'll get to the next step after that. Now you're all set. After you get your 4 corners glued and screwed, it's just a matter of nailing off your nailing flange. Once you've nailed all your nailing flange around, it's time to install your siding. Works out real well. Your siding goes over the flange, tucks into your J-channel, gives you a nice finished product with all hidden fasteners on the whole product. I just want to reiterate, everybody, it's very important that you fix these corners. You glue them and screw them through the side before you nail your nailing flange totally. You're only going to put 1 nail or screw on all 4 sides to hold them in place. Then install your glue, then install your screw. At that point, then you nail your nailing flange.